like a newly born giraffe. Just trip at any moment, but at the same time I feel so elegant and long. Hi, my name is Shayla and I'm at Shoes of Hollywood today, and I'll be doing some shoe reviews. Here we have the Infinity-909 heels in silver. These are actually so high with their 9 inches that they come with a warning label. I'm just going to read this one out to you. Due to extreme high heel height, 9 Infinity and 10 Beyond shoes are strictly meant for show purposes. These heels are intended to be used in a sitting or lying down position, not for walking or dancing. Wearers users assume all risks and full responsibility for any injuries sustained from the utilization of these products. So we're gonna completely ignore that because we will be walking around in these. Let's whip these out. I love how they come in separate baggies, and then you also have a little tie-up satchel-y bag thing to put them in as well, because with some heels you'll find that they are so high and pointy you will in fact rip something. So the double bag is actually very smart. So that's what that looks like. These things are huge. Definitely the biggest pair I've seen or had the opportunity to wear. It's like Christmas. That one. Let's put these on and give them a bit of a spin and see how these go. Hopefully we have no breakages. So I wear a size 6. These ones run from a 5 to a 9. So they're not too size inclusive, but then again, how many people are going to dare to wear these big things? I'm going to get glitter everywhere. Now this is in fact just glitter. So there's no plastic over the top, so you will get some everywhere. Glitter is a disease, but it is stunning. All right. Oof. These are huge. Though I feel very stable. I don't feel like I'm gonna fall over. Get some side-on views with these ones. Ooh. Now that's expected. These heels, yep, break your ankle is the word I'd use. And yeah, definitely heed the warning label on these ones, because yeah, these are a health and safety hazard. But they are stunning. Might just take these bad boys out for a walk and see how this glitter goes in the sunlight. feel so tall. From 5'3" to nearly 6 foot now. I feel like a newly born giraffe. I could just trip at any moment, but at the same time I feel so elegant and long. So we'll take these off, and I'm very impressed that I didn't fall over. These were a mission to walk around with, to be honest. I felt like I had weights on my feet because of how big they are, but they look great. So these are the Infinity-909s, and yep, so that's 9 inches. And again, remember to read that warning label, because honestly, if you can dance in these heels, you deserve a medal, because these are like stilts. Alright, so that's my review on these ones, and I hope you enjoyed that today. So that's just the Infinity-909 in the silver. And if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and hit the little bell in the corner to get all the notifications for more videos. Bye!